everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. When you see this video, you will see it on most likely a Wednesday, which would be in February, if not on Tuesday. So we've already went over my first paycheck budget and I've already closed it out. What we want to do now is go over the second budget by paycheck, which I did get paid on Wednesday, which was the 26th. Okay, so the second paycheck for January is from the 26th until February the 9th. I've already written things out, so that's why you see it covered up. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to the income, so first, when it comes to work, my check after taxes and other things was $1,381.42. Now, in this case, my paycheck was short because the regular system that we use at work to punch in and out, it's still not working. So we have to manually do some things, and apparently I forgot to update my punch in time for the 13th of January, so I haven't gotten paid for that just yet. But once I do get my second paycheck, I'll most likely throw all of that into savings. When it comes to, sorry about the camera, I just hit it. When it comes to back to bank, for back to bank, we do have $620 that's going back to the bank that I need to send to multiple places or multiple accounts. When it comes to the total, we have $2,001.42. When it comes to the budget income, we have $1,888.27. When it comes to the bills, the total is $885.08. When it comes to rent, we are wanting to pay the second half of rent, which is $382.50. When it comes to Hulu, we're going to go ahead and pay Hulu $1.08. And the reason that my Hulu bill is so low is because the Black Friday deal that I told everyone about on Instagram. So every year, Hulu has a Black Friday deal. So they give you the opportunity for a couple days. You're able to sign up. It's typically for new members only, but if you change your email address, they don't know. So that's what we did again for the second year, maybe the third year this time. I don't really know. So for a year, Hulu is going to be $1.08. When it comes to Discover, I owe Discover some money, but that bill isn't going to be due until March. So we want to go ahead and get that balance paid down. So this time I'm only going to add $103 for Discover. When it comes to Netflix, that bill wouldn't be due until March, but we're going to go ahead and set some money aside for it anyway. So Netflix, we are going to go ahead and set aside $9.84. When it comes to State Farm is for car insurance, renter's insurance, 2 life insurance policies. So altogether, that's $188.66, totaling $685.08. When it comes to cash envelopes, when it comes to gas already got $44, and I did use my sister Sam's Club account. When it comes to giving, that amount was $42.78, which I did spend some money on my cousin. She did have her little girl and needed some other things for the baby, so I went ahead and bought some things for $42.78. When it comes to food, for the next 2 weeks, we're just going to do $160. And I've already spent about 60 bucks so far. When it comes to spending, I'm giving myself $20, even though I probably don't have anything to buy. I'm giving myself some money anyway. When it comes to house, we don't really need anything when it comes to the house. We have enough toilet paper and all of that good stuff, but I'm still going to give 20 bucks. When it comes to laundry for the next 2 weeks, I did wash all of my clothes at my sister's house when I was back home, so I'm just doing $20 for laundry. I also gave a note here in red that said I did not budget for just in case. And I didn't budget for just in case because my brother-in-law gave me 20 bucks. So if I need to use it, I will. If not, I'll just put it in the bank. When it comes to cash envelopes, that total is $306.78. When it comes to saving funds for travel, we're doing $35. And the only reason that I'm doing $35 for travel is because I already had $255 in cash, which is where most of this money came from. And once I figured out this budget, I had $35 left, so I just decided to put it towards travel. When it comes to car maintenance, I'm only doing $20 this time. When it comes to medical, I'm only doing $20 this time. When it comes to extra Roth IRA cash, I'm doing $11.38. And when it comes to Desiree savings, once all of this is taken care of, I should have $16 at least left, which I will put it into a different bank account where I save money for myself. Now, here's the thing. I don't know if I'll have 1626, 1636, or 1686, but I'm just going to leave this as $16. And once I get the full amount that I'm transferring over to Desiree Savings, I'll put that there. I'm also going to start doing a check-in on a different sheet of paper, which I've already gotten everything written out. So I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope this video made sense. If not, let me know. That way I can start explaining stuff a little bit better for you guys. Bye.